Hello to all, this is an unboxing of the Sauer P226 Stainless Elite. This is a little bit different than the other SIG P226s I have, as this one has a steel frame and steel slide. The other ones will have alloy frame. They're a little bit lighter and tip the scales at 36, while this hefty one comes in around 42 ounces. So inside the case, some promotional stuff, as well as your manual, your lock, and it comes with 2 magazines, one down here in the cutout and another one in the handgun. They come with 15 round mags, and this is offered in 9, 40, and 357. This one here is a 4.4 inch, 9mm barrel. And this gun looks nice. So there are a couple of major differences, major, minor, whatever you want to call them, between this and the other P226s that are available. So besides this frame being stainless, where you might have an alloy on a lot of the other ones, and the slide stainless, you have a beaver tail where other ones do not, as well as front serrations on the slide. I have a Mark 25 behind me, and as you can see here on this one, the slide up here is smooth versus the machine work there, and there's no beaver tail versus that. But this does look nice, doesn't it? So one thing that I really do like and dislike about it are the rosewood grips. So they're promoted as custom grips just for the stainless, and the red does accent nicely on all that metal. But I do not like these grips the way they feel. They are thick. So I don't have small hands by any means, but these definitely feel too thick for me. And there's absolutely no kind of texturing whatsoever. This around the logo here, it's not going to give you any kind of grip or help you have the gun lock in your hand, nothing like that. This is definitely just for show. On the top, you do have SIG night sights. And beautiful machine work on that magwell. But I do have other grips for it, and I can swap out any other grips. When you have much thinner grips with some texture, and I like the way that beaver tail definitely feels in the hand. The controls are all the same as other P226s, same slide release, and decocker. This does come with a SRT, so it does have a nice trigger pull. And a short reset. This is not a new handgun, if you guys can tell. There's some obvious use in there in the magwell, but just decided to do an unboxing video of it. This one does not get shot that much. It is a very nice looking gun. Shoots very soft too. At 42 ounces, it's better, but it's just really for show. One of the best looking handguns in my opinion. But I'll do some unboxing videos of some other older firearms I've had for a while, just never did an unboxing video if I do still have the stuff around. But thanks for watching.